guys, Henry, Harrison, and Ian, please listen carefully, okay, to number 2 here. Now, first of all, here's the answer. The answer to number 2 is this: the square root of 17 over 17. Alright, now let's start with Ian. Ian, when you solved this triangle, you made one mistake, a little mistake. I only took off 1 point, Ian. 1 point, okay? You put a 17 here, but it should have been square root of 17. Other than that, everything else was perfect, okay? That's all that you did wrong. So instead of getting 1 over 17 like you got, you would have gotten this, and then you would have rationalized, and you would have gotten this. That's why I took off 1 point, okay? Henry, I took off 1 point for you, okay? Because you, put the plus minus. Now you got this right, okay? Alright? But you put plus minus in front of it. Now before you argue with me, let me explain to you what's going on, okay? I'm well aware of the fact that when you look at the formula for sine of pi over 2, you get this. I know that totally, you get this. That's what the book says, okay? And that's fine. But here's the problem. If you look carefully at the notes I taught you, and also in the book, on the page where these identities are, you're going to see that it says very specifically, it says which sign that you use depends upon which quadrant this is in, okay? So we don't know what quadrant this is in, and all of our numbers are positive, so we are going to then assume we have a positive number here. Now, to be honest with you, if you would have put a negative number, I probably still would have taken a point off, but I would have rather had you put a negative number or a positive number than both, because it can't be both, okay? It's either positive or negative, depending on what quadrant this angle here is. So pretend this was 80. 80 over 2 is 40. That's the number you would look at. Let me say that again, okay? And this is also for you, Harrison, okay? And I should have said that. Harrison, you also put plus minus, okay? So listen carefully to this, alright? The plus minus, whether you use the positive or the negative, you use one of those. And it depends on what quadrant theta over 2 is in, okay? And so it's very important that you understand that. Now, we did not know what quadrant it's in, and we did notice both of our numbers here were positive. So we're going to assume we're using the positive. That's only 1 point. It wasn't going to kill you. Now, Harrison, you did that mistake, but you also put a 17 here. Do you see that? And when you use Pythagorean's theorem, it should have been that. That's why I took off a full mistake for you, because you made 2 of those, okay? Alright, that's it, guys, for that problem. That's it. Everything else, your work was good. It was